Hello, good people. How are you doing? Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are. Yeah, if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for the big support you're showing to this channel. And if you are new here, please karibu sana. Yeah, so hit that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so anytime I put up content, you get notified. Thank you so much for supporting this channel. We are really growing. Yeah, guys, we have hit the 600 subscriber mark. Yeah, and we just started the channel just the other day. We are really growing. So today I have a new content, and I want to show you how I prepare a yummy meal for my chicken. Yeah, so this is what we have. We have the normal feed. You see the normal feed from the shop. Yes, we have here some skuma wiki. You see, I've just cut them into small pieces. We have the green banana leaves cuttings and potato peeling cuttings. You see, that is it. It's really yummy and healthy. We also have the spring onion leaves, just a little, not too much. Yeah, and then you just mix it together and let's see what happens. So just put it there. We add these two, and we also add the skuma wiki. Yeah, we add the skuma wiki and mix. It's really yummy for the chicken, and they enjoy it. And in return, you know, you will get eggs out of it, and also they will be healthy and weighing good kgs. So come with me, guys. We go feed our chicken. Hello, girl. How are you? Why are you outside? Where did you sleep? Mama, umetoka wapi? Nitakugonga. Hello, guys. How are you? Yeah. Good morning. Good morning. Mama is here. Mama is here. Yeah, so let's start. They like the meal. They like it. They like it. They like it. They know what it is. They know. Really good food. Hello, mommy. They know. Hello, guys. I'm here. Good morning. I'm here. They are really enjoying. You can see from there. Yeah. So you just use what you have to feed your chicken. You see? Hello, my Hey girls, how is everything? You can see how they are enjoying the meal. Wanabugia kubugia. They know how sweet it is. Yummy, yummy guys. So yummy, so yummy. Guys, enjoy. Bon appetit. Bon appetit, guys. Bon appetit. Yeah. And as you can see, the number of chicken has really dropped. Yes. Yes, I've sold a great number of them. Yes, because they were like 2 years old and they had become less productive. So I just sold them away, and soon this week I'm bringing a new number of birds. Yeah, and we start from there. Yeah, I had seen the drop in eggs because most of them, they were old, they were not laying, and I said, why not? Let me exchange the chicken, which are less productive, with money. Yes, and that is what I did, and I'm also happy I have money in my pocket. Yeah, a good sum of money. Yeah, because I sold around 100. Yeah, it was 100. Yeah. Farming is something so nice. It keeps you going. It's a day-to-day thing. You just wake up and do it. It's like, if you have passion, you just go far. Yeah. Yeah, it's like keeping pets. So they are my girls and I love them. Yeah, because I get meat, I get eggs from them. Yeah. And they also keep me busy. Yeah, feeding them and sometimes just staying with them and talking to them. Yeah. Oh, I love these girls. You can see how they are doing, how they are enjoying the meal. Look. They are really, they are even fighting for the food. Yo. See? It is so yummy. So yummy, man. See? They are enjoying. So guys, thank you so much for tagging along. Yeah, you have seen how my chicken are enjoying the meal, and you can also make the same to your chicken at home. Yeah, and guys, keep subscribing, keep sharing the content to people. Let's grow. We are now at 600 subscriber mark, and I am so happy. We are getting there, guys. Yeah, keep sharing, like, comment. Yeah, and guys, don't forget to leave a comment, because your comments are the ones which keeps me going. Bring some advice. Yeah. Yeah, leave something. Just write something there. I will read and I will reply. Yeah, let's learn something every day. Yeah, so thank you so much for the big support you show to this channel. I did not know we will get to this mark, 600. Oh my God, we are getting to 1,000 subscribers soon. Yeah, so thank you so much. Keep it locked. This is where you are supposed to be, man. Yeah, and preach the gospel to other people. Yeah, let's grow, let's grow. Yeah, road to 1,000 before this week ends, guys. Yeah, so thank you so much for being here. And see you in the next video. Thanks, guys.